All right, from here, we're going to go to New and then Page, and we're going to create an About page. An About page will be just like a services page or anything with information. You can say About or About Us. And here we are again. It's added us to the regular WordPress editor. But we're going to click Beaver Builder. And it opens up Beaver Builder here. So on a page, we want to have a heading at the top. And the heading is what the page is about. So we're going to say About Us or About Our Company. We want this to be an H1 tag. And this will be the only one that's an H1 tag. I'll click Save. Next, we're going to add some text. So go to plus, text editor, drag it right below, or I can drag it below that if I want to change this in any way. I need some dummy text for this website, so I'm going to go to something called Cake Ipsum, and you would add information about your website. I'm adding just dummy information to this so I can show you how to do it. So I pasted it in the text area because I didn't want anything to be carried through from this website to here. And I'll hit Save. There's a lot of space between this here, but what I'm going to do is style this heading by clicking this wrench and then going to a full width and then changing the color to white, but white on white we can't see. So we're going to change the background to a gradient. And then if I saved my purple colors, which I didn't, but I'll show you, I'll do a blue going to purple. Just like the home page on a 45 degree. So you can see that there. You can really style up and change this. You can put an image in the background. You put that same video. If you don't like the spacing between the words and the top here, you can change that by going to Advanced and changing this. I actually do like it, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it. So About Us, there's more information about us. Again, you'd have a call to action at the bottom or a contact us or a link. And that's how you create a page. I will style this a little further. So I can do background, photo, select, we'll do this one again. And then I'll go to overlay as a gradient. Maybe we'll just leave it at blue. Simple overlay. So I think it looks pretty good. And then I'll hit done, publish. And then there's the About Us page. To get it in the menu, because we didn't have it before, we would go to Menus, and now here's About, Add to Menu, drag it to where we want it, and then remove that dummy one and hit Save. So we go back to the home page here. There's our home page with our video. There's our About Us. Looks super clean with that nice gradient there. Now we're going to create a form so people can contact us. So we added Ninja Forms to create forms. It says, hey, do you want Ninja Forms to collect data on you? No, I never do. I always hit no. And then they create an automatic contact me form. So to edit it, you click here or this gear and you go to edit. Name, email, message, submit. That's exactly what I want. So I'll go to email actions. They can store the submission, so if it goes into the database and it gets emailed to you, depending on your laws and stuff, you may turn this off or on, depending on what you want. And then advanced display settings. Do you want it to show the form title? I usually do, and I just get rid of contact me and leave it at contact or contact us. And then you can have calculations, etc. How these guys work is this part is free. So I can preview this. That's what it looks like. If you want additional features like taking money or multi-page forms, etc., that's where it costs money, and I do think it's worth it if that's what you need. So go ahead and close this. All right, so we now have our Contact Us form, and now we're going to create our Contact Us page. We have been going to New and then Page. You can also go to Pages, Add New, or click Add New here. So we're going to title it Contact Us. We're going to go to Beaver Builder. We're going to create a heading. We're going to put our NAP in, our name, address, and phone number with a text. So let's put it right under this. So NAP here, so let's say So there it is there. I'll hit save. I'm actually going to do plus again and go to rows. And what I usually do is I put the nap on one side and I put social media icons on the other. So to do so, I'll go to modules and I'll go to icon group. In the past, we've done icon. Now we're going to do icon group. We're going to put in a group here. So we'll go to edit icon, select icon, start typing Facebook. So there's the F. Put the link in. Facebook.com/PressAvenue. And I always click new window because I want it to open in a new window. I'll hit save. Move this over here. And there's the F there. Then I usually duplicate this. And then I just fill it out for the additional services. So I'll go to edit icon, replace, type Twitter. There it is. I'll just change the link and hit save. Edit icon 3. Replace Instagram. There it is. Hit save. Edit icon. Replace YouTube. Save. So they're all 4 icons. You can have more, of course. You have as many as you want. They have the option to style it in per icon. So Facebook can be blue and YouTube can be red. But I like to style them all together. So I hit save and I go to style. This changes the size, so I can make them a lot bigger. This changes the spacing, the alignment. I can change the color here. You can change it to match your brand. It can be something totally different, completely up to you. Again, the hover color can be different. You can do a background color, so if it's on a dark background, it can look like a button similar to up here. And then you can have gradients, etc. So hit save. And then I go to plus, modules, text editor. I say, connect with us or friend us, etc. Go to advanced, change the padding, go to style, make this bigger. And I still want it closer, so I'm going to go back to the icons, go to advanced, and change this top margin to kind of pull that stuff in. So you can see that there. There's our nap, and now we're going to add our contact form. So all the modules here that we've talked about, only a few of the basics so far, but there's a lot you can use, and we'll have more videos on different things for this. But under this standard modules, we have something called WordPress widgets, and in here is where we find our Ninja Forms widget. Go ahead and drag that under the nap here, and I'll select Contact Us, display the title, and save. And now we have, it's going to load. It's loading and then not loading. Save. I'll go to Done, Publish. And then it's repeating Contact Us, which is interesting. So maybe I don't want to... Oh, in the settings it says display the title, and I probably double. So I'll click this, save. Done, refresh. And you can see it's not working that well with Beaver Builder. If I refresh, it does come back and it is there. And I will make a note that WordPress 5.0 has stated that widgets are going away. So all of this will be cleaned up in the future. I do want to break there, so I'm going to go to Beaver Builder again, plus, and I'm going to go to Separator. And you can see that separation line. I'm going to change it to our blue color and hit Save, Done, Publish. And that's it. All right, and here's the final site. If you have any questions about any part of this video, please let us know in the comments below. Additionally, if it was helpful in any way, give it a thumbs up. And lastly, on our channel at the very top, if you click the red subscribe button, it'll help support this channel and you'll see more great videos just like this one. Thanks again for watching. Hey, thanks again. My name is John with Press Avenue. Go ahead and hit that circle right below me here, and you can subscribe to this channel and click the little bell and it'll notify you of new stuff. You can click the square right next to it to go to Press Avenue directly without having to type anything. And over here on the right, we have a playlist just for you and the most recent upload. Thanks.